Not far from the shore is a meadow that is like no other. But to discover this secret meadow, we need to get wet. A group of local snorkelers set out to find their own secret meadow. This is seagrass. Just like our meadow grasses on land, seagrass has roots, flowers, fruits and leaves, and is pollinated by tiny marine creatures.
Seagrass is 35 times more efficient at storing carbon than rainforest, making it really valuable for mitigating the effects of climate change.
Seagrass meadows are really important nursery areas for shellfish and fish like the Atlantic cod.
Seagrass roots stabilise sediment, which in turn prevents coastal erosion.
Over 30 times more animals live within seagrass compared to adjacent sandy habitats.
At least 50% of the UK's seagrass has been lost over the past 40 years.
We got together this weekend to explore our local seagrass.
We did it, so you can too.
Find your own secret meadow.
And upload your information to the Seagrass Spotter app.
A great citizen science project for mapping the UK's seagrass beds.
Spot it, map it, protect it! Yeah!